whoever told you and my sister that truck it takes time to stop like a train, okanye indoda yakho liyaxela loo nto leyo yakuxela ukubhanqa kakhulu. I don't know, to all of you who are against what I said, okanye against what the truck driver did, you say the truck driver is right. The video is out. You can all go watch that video. Exactly like I said yesterday. That road is straight. And if you can notice from that video, the camera yala driver we truck imdaka ibonakalisi kakuhle. But what I can tell you, where the video begins, you can see the trees. That is more than 1 kilometer. You understand? And then I drive maybe for 100 meters. Then imoto yokuqala ifike kuye apha imdluli imoto, the oncoming car imdluli, and itaxi ayika-appearishi ekamereni, meaning kodwa the taxi has already started overtaking. That is about 1 kilo in front of him. Or a truck, it takes less than 500 meters to stop. It takes less than 500 meters to stop. If ever it has to be harsh, it's even less than 100 meters. If you are doing harsh braking, if you are trying, you are concerned about saving people's life, or avoiding any collision. So indoda yakuba yakuxelelayo ukuba ifo itruck ithatha ixesha ukuma, yakuxelela ububhanxa. Sibuye apha itruck itaxi starts to appear on the camera. I can estimate that is 300 to 500 meters. Number one, to show that the trucking company is protecting the driver. Dashcam has a date, has a time, and has a speed. They cropped that out. And if you even listen to that video, the guy that is taking out that video to post it, he's even trying to convince us, Uti, hey, he has all the time, the taxi driver has all the time. What about his driver? His driver never dropped the speed. Number one, watch the video closely. The truck driver never dropped the speed. Hence, they removed the part. They cropped out that part, the speed and the date and the time. They cropped that out. You understand? To convince the nation that the driver did whatever he did. And then they said he tried his best. He moved away from the road. Which road did he move away? Landlela in a space esikhulu kakhulu esingahambi truck. Ecaleni if yena ebengafuna ukudrop speed, because the choice yakhe if you want to drop the speed or not. Only before less than 6 seconds before the collision, he started drifting away from the road. Less than 6 seconds. And then you're telling me he tried what? Whereas unxela ngomuntu obone itruck more than 1 kilo away. It takes more than 1 kilo away. And then you telling me a truck, it takes time to stop. Look where he bumped that taxi, and then look where he stopped. He never went far. To show that he has begun putting the brakes. He never went far. And look indlela aqhawule ngayo la taxi phakathi. To show that he never dropped his speed. Ungazi utshayisa itaxi egcwele abantwana uyiqhawule phakathi olahlobo. Endleleni straight. Akutsho noba it was a curve. It's even the indlela evusayo so an uphill. Even an uphill awuvela sewuvela kuyo imoto. Uyavela kuvela top uqala, then you have the time to think. You understand the reaction yakho. Hence when they test you here in my company, they use what you call a Dover test, trying to check your reaction. That guy, that truck driver has killed those kids deliberately. Normally ngamthethelela ntini apho akhoyo i-guilt conscious yakhe iyamxelela straight uba I've killed those kids. You can defend him all you want. Just because he was in a right position. He was in his right way. If I'm on the right way, it'll only learn chase. If I'm not in a right way, it'll only learn bulale. Unfortunately for this matter, I guess is agabulalanga the guy that he was arrogant with, because he was arrogant with the guy that was driving a taxi, forgetting that that guy has carried more than 10 people. For an example, let me tell you, there's something else that the what you call the side tipper companies are doing, more especially that those that are coming from Kuruman. They are loading those trucks overload because there's no way bridge from Kuruman to PE. The only way bridge is when you get to Colchester. And you must check every day in Abandaba 7 to N10. Those guys, they sleep from during the day. If ever esaskali se way bridge ivulile le kawusiya ngasa Colchester ivulile la way bridge, they sleep usuka apha ePeterson ukuya pha kule ndlela ibheka ngase Grahamstown dilibele ba bathi into London xa beyibiza uyoqabela pha uyofika kula bus stop xa ugqiba uqabela uba uvelele esaskali sase Colchester. Eza truck ziyama pha azime eza truck bazilele pha. They stop because they know that they have carried an overload. Unantsika ubungqina balondo nansi truck ibinantsika ibulala abantu eCraydog. That truck has akuthiwa ibine brake failure. That truck ibingena brake failure that truck, but that guy uze pha phezulu ngearrogance yakhe, and then he started ukubreaka late. Those trucks, they carry 40-45 tons. The government needs to go check on those side tipper trucking companies and make them pay those drivers according to bargaining council, and then remove this load system thing, or else our people will die daily on the road. So my sister, N10 has become the most dangerous road now, more than N3. Because now koni side tippers is to whatever by tutai naxesha layo abayise bhayi. If ever you're gonna take N10, N9, N10 from Colliesburg, you must start making a short prayer, because you're gonna drive with these guys. Look at his arrogance on that video. Very arrogant. No, I can drop his speed. I can see next to avoid the collision. Nina nzosicela ubhanqa but the taxi was wrong. Who doesn't overtake? Who doesn't overtake? Because why motors is left, they only reacted 6 seconds, all of them. I don't know why. They only reacted 6 seconds before the collision. All of them, even the Lekumbe Ngapale, was pressing this quantum for no reason. If ever we continue like that, I don't care, now you can attack me. All of you side tipper drivers, I can see your comments, I don't care. You are not gonna drive nonsense apparently expected just because you are hurting your feelings, because you are driving side tippers. Those side tippers are not yours. We need to fix the country, not you. We are not saying you are wrong. Some of you, we know that you are driving under stress because of the load system that you are working under. Who doesn't overtake? I'm not saying the taxi is right. The taxi was wrong on overtaking, but the road was allowing him to overtake. He was just late. Overtaking, it's all about calculation and estimation. It's not always accurate. If you are a driver, you're supposed to know that. We always overtake and see we're overtaking. No man, I didn't calculate my things right. You understand? But because we are overtaking, they open a space for you, and then you are safe. That's it. Because we can see land is very dangerous. Inside, like in the middle of the road, put hazard there's no collision, there's no one who's dead. But because of arrogance, because a truck takes time to stop. Who said that? These trucks that we are driving to
truck driver madoda. Yes, sanibonani mfethu. Thembe ngiyaphila noma inhliziyo zibhlungu nje bafethu, kodwa asehleseni umoya sike nje sixoxa ngale ndaba sikhulume into eyakhayo sikhulume abanye ama-truck driver akazazi izinto ezifana nalezi ezenzeke lapha abazilutho nje into ebayaziyo ukudriver but ngicabanga ukuthi the more sikhuluma is the more nabo bafunda babona amaphutha wabo bawalungise lapha yana lapha bafethu uyabona le ndaba le mina kahle kahle kwakumele nina nithule ningakwazi ukudrive amaloli nithule nike nilalele nje abo truck driver ukuthi bathini le ya taxi driver izakhulunywa ngabanye aba taxi driver kodwa thina sikhulumeni sifocus ku truck driver because nathi singama driver abamaloli so into khona la bafethu u driver we truck ube selfish u driver we truck ube unprofessional u-driver we-truck uma ngithi unprofessional of which akatrainwanga u-driver we-truck ngiyamuzwa omunye mangithi ngiyambheka lo yamjida loya ilona akayazi but the way akhuluma ngakhona uthi yana ama rules womgwaqo lana sikhuluma ngama rules womgwaqo lana sikhuluma ngama life saving rules izinto abangakufundisa izona mawenzile nasi le sazi lezi zinto lezo life saving rules ngiyagadla manje ukudriver weloli kithi usifailile bafo uhlulekile uku-applya kunalento le kuthiwa i-defensive driving uhlulekile uku-apply i-defensive driving uhlulekile bafo yabona into yokuqala bekumele uyenze lapha angisakhulumi nje ngoba nakho sekwenzekile but sengikhulumela nalaba abangazi bakhona ukuthi bathathe lawo maskilinyana khona uhambe nawo uye lolini yakho uzobona uzophephisa impilo eziningi kakhulu into ehlulekile bafo lapha qabanga hluleka ukudecide wahluleka uku-identifya wahluleka uku-executor then wahluleka uku-back off hlulekile kuzenza lezo zinto lezo of which lezo zinto lezo zikulidele to attitude bafo kulimaze kakhulu siyaxolisa kumndeni elahlekelwe kakhulu kodwa bafo yazi kunezinye izinto bengifisa ukuyibona your reaction phakathi kweloli bayikhiphela ivideo ngaphandle abakhiphele yangaphakathi phela sifuna ukuyibona sizokhona ukuyianalyze nayo phela ngithi siyakhona izinto masezenzekile ngoba phela leya video besasimbhlema u-truck driver ngoba besingakabonanga leya video after sesibone leya video ilapho sesikhona ukubona khona ukuthi hayi umjida uzidlisile singabashayeli bamaloli but my question is what if leya taxi leya kwakuyiloli elingana naleya yakho wawuzoyenza lento oyenzile na ngibuzela umngani wami nami bengibuzela umngani ubuzowenza lento oyenzile manje njoba sekuphume kuqhitheke igazi innocent ubuzokwenza lokho bungeke ngoba ukwazi kahle ukuthi uzofa lapha but ngoba ubonile ukuthi wena uzophepha wenza lento oyenzile la selfish attitude yablame truck driver
Kubhlungu kakhulu lokwenzekile lapha nje ngizoba mfishana kakhulu manje la udriver we-truck manibukisisa kahle ivideo imoto uyibonile isese-500 meters away from ukuthi izozishayisana naye wenze muphi umzamo ukuthi zingashayisana ngale ndlela ishayisana ngayo udriver we-truck mina ngishayile i-truck udriver we-truck una something udriver we-truck lapha kule ngozi yalapha eFanele Park kufuneka ukuthi ama-safety officers abantu abakwazi ukuthi baphenye ngengozi abayochecka lapha ukuthi yimuphi umzamo wenzile ukuvikela lengozi because kufuneke singabashayeli beimoto ezinkulu kodwa ama truck sibe ne defensive driving according to the speed limit, and then bese kuthi mangabe ubona into elapha 100 meters away from you or 200 meters ukhona uku-acta masinyane ukube uzamile ukustopa masinyane ngabe ayikho lento yenzekile.